Hey there, hey there. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. It is Technique Tuesday. And today we're going to do a fun new technique. Well, new to here technique, and that is the faux chalkboard technique. So all you're going to need for today's supplies for the technique is a piece of basic black cardstock. So I've already cut this down. We're going to need some white craft ink, and we're going to need one of our sponge daubers. And so I have my sponge daubers labeled, so I just have this one labeled for white, and then I just keep them always that way, and that way they're ready to go for each color that I use with them. So we're just going to open up our ink pad, and we're not going to stick our fingers in it. I guess it's time that we're stamping, right? When we get inky fingers. Okay, so we are going to create this faux chalkboard. So all we're going to do is we're going to take our basic black cardstock. We're going to use our little sponge dauber and daub into our white. We don't want it too dark, so I'm just going to take a tad bit off there. And then we're just going to make like chalkboard streaks. Let me actually see if I can bring this closer so you can see. And all I'm doing is lightly brushing this white all along our cardstock. And the messier it is, the more realistic that it looks, because we really want it to look like that used chalkboard, right? So you don't want to like sponge it, because look, if you sponge it, you're gonna get actual dots, right? So you just want to lightly kind of streak it across your paper. And then we're gonna take a stamp. And so today I'm using the Sharing, Loving, Crafting stamp set, one of our online exclusives, and I'm using this Sharing What I Love, Loving What I Do. Perfect sentiment, right? And so we're just gonna ink this up in our same white, and then we're just going to stamp this down and kind of hold it right on there. Make sure it gets impressed real good, and pull that off. And then we have this faux chalkboard effect with our paper. So it's a really easy, quick, and fun technique to add to your technique portfolio, right? Let me show you the finished card that I created with this. And so I just added some DSP, a little flower and a bow, and we have this beautiful chalkboard look, this faux chalkboard look to our paper. I hope you totally enjoyed today's technique. If you've missed any of our past techniques, you can find them on my blog at stampinqueenbee.com. You can also find them in the YouTube playlist for Technique Tuesday. Every Tuesday I love to share a new fun stamping, paper crafting technique with you. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon.